And then also in the assessment, today's acronym is SaaS, which stands for Software as a Service. Now that is software that's in the cloud that you can access over the internet. Now, pretty much all software these days is delivered this way. In the old days, buy Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office from them and get a DVD and load the software onto your computer. And there would be other software loaded onto the server at your office that you would be able to share. Now, that's not the case anymore. And that SaaS, the old business model, was that you paid for everything up front, the whole license fee. And you might pay a percentage of that each year as support and maintenance. Software as a service is where you just pay per user per month, and it's lowered the entry cost. And it's really great for small businesses because you can get access to a whole range of software like accounting, CRM, all of your email clients and documents like word processing and all that sort of stuff is now all paid by the month. So you don't have to pay all this money out front for all of the users. It's just a monthly fee. Now, interestingly enough, with website, 35 to 40% of the websites in the world are built on WordPress. And the business model for web developers is still the old model. We'll build your website, we'll host it on a server somewhere, and we'll also charge the hosting of that and for maintenance of it and for support and security. But we'll charge you a big upfront cost. Could be 20, could be 10, could be 30,000, whatever the size of the bill, and they'll charge you that upfront and then leave you to your own devices. We use Core DNA, which is software as a service for website. It's a content management system. It also has an e-commerce component so that it's all paid by the month. And so what we decided to do a couple of years ago was to do WAS, websites as a service. So it's not just the build of the website that we spread over the monthly fees. It's the strategy that we do, the research, the content creation, writing all the content, the SEO that we build in, and then the ongoing SEO, ongoing marketing, whether it's social media marketing or search engine marketing, all built into one low monthly fee. So it's website as a service. One thing to be aware of with all of this stuff in terms of your software applications that are SaaS is, and if you're like me, sometimes you're surprised when your credit or your debit card expires and you notice all of the software applications that you didn't even realize that you had, but you still had licenses for and were built for. So it's worth doing an audit every quarter and every 6 months to just see which software you do have and be aware of what those software applications do, because they keep on adding features. That's the thing I love about Core. Every month we're getting new stuff. And we look at them and go, oh, this would be great for this client, that client. And then we can reach out and we can help them improve the way that they do business. So that's one of the good things about software as a service is that you get a new version and a better version of that software as they make improvements to it. If you're considering changing website, you're not happy with how your website's going and you'd like to look at an alternative, think about website as a service rather than the old one. I can find this useful. Thanks.